Guys, I think this is live. I'm not very good at these things. But Matt's just rushed off to the loo. I can hear him puking. I can hear really horrible noises. He's in pain. I feel really bad. And he's only done 1 bottle. And we were hoping that he'd do 5. So any of you who ordered 2 or 3 or 4, multiple of 10s, you guys are in trouble. I'm actually dreading what's going to happen to me because I'm hoping to try this on maybe the weekend, Saturday. I'm not too confident right now. Matt rushed off. He said it was one of the most painful things. He could feel it straight in his stomach. And Stephen Dixon's next. So, Stephen, are you ready? I just want to show you, out of interest. So we had 5 bottles lined up. This is I don't know if you can see that. Okay, yeah. So we had about 5 bottles lined up for Matt. And he's a seasoned chili eater. And that was hard. So, guys, this is not an easy challenge by any means. This is going to be a tough one. It's hard to get on the legal fire league tables. That is the whole point. So you do multiples. You do 2, 3, 4, 5. As I've explained, there's 2 ways of doing it, which I think Legal Fire are going to publish a blog soon to let you know what to do. So there's instructions on the bottle how you do it. And that's half and half. You do half, you wait 3 minutes, then do the rest and wait 3 minutes. Or you do the whole bottle. So it's a chug challenge. It's a proper chug challenge. So you open the bottle in front of everybody, doing it live, and you've done the whole bottle. You wait 4 minutes. The points are a bit less at 3 instead of 4, but it's still pretty cool. So if you want to do multiple bottles, that might be the way forward. I'm still waiting to see how Matt's doing. He's not sounding good. Not good. But he did say one thing. He said, I'm so glad that's lemony and not vinegar. So thank you, Stephen, for that. Because Stephen had the choice of making quite vinegary or lemony. And both have the same effect. Your face will go. Oh my God, someone's just walked into their house. Let me see if I can turn it and see if you can see him.
Hello.
Right. What do you think, Matt?
Oh, hi. Are we live on your channel?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
This is on NEUK Chilli-heads.
NEUK. Wow. So I did the Chug challenge. I have purged because I needed a purge. Wow. I'm burning around my face. God, it was hot.
Is there any way you could have done more than 1?
My stomach was just saying, no freaking way. So, no freaking way. Wow.
What do you say to people who've ordered 10 bottles?
People who've ordered 10 bottles? Only 10? My stomach is still really, really burny.
Really?
But it's really burning around my mouth. Wow. I'll let you go back to Chen. Wow.
So guys, you've got that to look forward to if you've ordered multiple bottles, i.e. Atomic Menace. There's a few other people on one name, but you've got that to look forward to. It's not happening. The only person I think in the world who could do it is probably Dustin. Probably. You'd have no trouble. You'd be like, that's great. Orange juice, a bit more. Lemon juice, I don't know. But, okay guys, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to look after Matt a little bit and then get back to you guys. Oh no, Matt's here. Matt's here.
Post-Chug face. Actually my face is really, really red. I'm not sure if you can see my lips. It's quite
Can I tell you,
burny.
your face went red, like pretty much after the first second of downing it.
Yeah, got the shakes. Now the post kind of, post-purge shakes and everything. Man, but just so burny around my lips still.
So do you think Stephen's done a good job of producing a Chug challenge that's going to be hard?
Stephen's done a great job. He always makes great sauces, but that's. I think that would be nice to actually have as a sauce on its own. I don't know. In fact, I don't think I ever want to have anything to do with it ever again.
You're the creator. You can't say that.
No, it's a good sauce, but wow, I'm feeling it right now. Wow.
Stephen, You got to do it now.
You're next, Stephen.
You're next. You're next. You said you're going to wait for Matt to do it, and this is happening. So I got enough votes, 50 likes, and I think in half an hour or so on the NEUK Chili group. So you're going next, and then after you, I'm next. So I'm quite happy. I've got 2 people to watch before I do it. And then I know Adele, and I know Ada. There's so many people. Dustin, Sean. There's so many people who ordered it. Johnny Scoville, legend. Ryback, who loves this. He's already ordered a few bottles. So guys, you just don't know what's coming. James Nixon. Oh my God, he's ordered a few, right?
Oh, James Nixon's one to watch.
He is.
Oh yes, he asked me how many points does he have. I had to kind of work out. I don't know. I have to look to see what we got on file, but yeah, James.
He's a dark horse. I'm worried about him.
James is he's going to be good for future chili contests as well. He's looking forward to doing them. Oh.
Right, guys, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to let him suffer in quiet without you guys watching.
It's got
Take care.
The post shakes now.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye bye.